Hey, what's up guys? This is Oswaldo from Rock Entry. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're a regular, awesome. Welcome back guys. Thanks for the support. Alright guys, let's get started. Today we're going to be working on this purple problem. It's got 3 crimps, a couple of awkwardly shaped slopers. They're pretty positive, not bad. And as always, I'll go over the crux and let you guys know what I did to be able to send it. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, so I kept falling in that part. So let's go back at it and look at it from the start. Okay, so here everything seems good. My body's closest to the wall. My hands are pretty good, pretty solid. I'm not bending them. My body is pretty much on top of my feet. Trying to keep my body weight on top of my feet, and it all looks good from here. So in this case, I have to have my right hand free in order to get that crimp, because going left hand to that crimp, there's no way. Alright, so since everything looks good here, let's see where the mistake is. This is an obvious mistake. I let go before I secured my toe hook. As you can see, my toe hook is already slipping and my body is already like going down with it. So what I need to do is, before I move my left hand over to match, I have to secure this left hook. This means keeping my left arm and left leg straight, lean over to the right, making sure I stick that toe hook with using my body weight, and then push in with my right foot. And that's it. Now I can move my left hand over to match that hole. Alright, and we did it! Yes! Guys, if you find this useful or helpful in any way, please do hit that like button. And if you're new, please consider to subscribe so you won't miss future videos just like this. It's all climbing related videos. So yeah, also I'm taking suggestions. If you guys are thinking of a certain move that you want me to do or a certain climb, let me know in the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.